This is our newest design folding container house. Please see installation details.
Galvanized steel structure and 2 layers of eco-friendly paint. Outer color single steel sheet, plus glasswood insulation, plus indoor steel sheet ceiling. 40mm IEPS sandwich panel for wall. Aluminum sliding window with stainless steel security bar. Sandwich panel door and lock. 18mm MGO board for floor. Stainless steel hinge on folding container is with good stiffness and toughness performance. The new type of ceilings with beautiful design.
The house comes with basic electrical system, total 1 switch for the light and 3 sockets. This position is the switch and this is the socket for AC. There is a socket here for ordinary use such as TV and another ordinary socket on the back wall.
Improved corner head design, use 8mm thick bending steel plate, molding and high strength. It is convenient for lifting by the hook hole in the corner head. Wheels, 2 sets at the front and rear. 1 set is made of 2 stainless steel wheels. The wheels are bolted in structure, easy assembly, disassembly, and recycle using. The supporting iron plate is used to fix the space between roof and base when packing, so that to avoid internal damage during stacking. Wheels save time and force when pushing folding container into shipping container. It is completely superior to the traditional loading way by roller and crowbar, avoiding the scratching on the surface of container and the damage on the roof by crowbar when loading and unloading.